Hi, this is Sel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you tips on how to pass the CPA licensure exam. Without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1, take the licensure exam as soon as you graduate. As a fresh grad, you have a higher chance of passing since all the information and lessons are still fresh in your mind. Believe in yourself and take the licensure exam while everything is still fresh. Take advantage of that. As much as possible, do not delay your agony. Tip number 2, enroll in a review school or review center. Whether or not you are confident to pass the CPA licensure exam, I strongly suggest that you enroll in a review school because review schools provide quality materials or handouts which are really helpful and updated to the current syllabi. Reviewers are mostly experienced professors with great qualifications. Enrolling in a review school somehow obliges you or pushes you to review. It helps you become less complacent. At this point, I'd like to emphasize something. Here in the Philippines, generally, the basic flow of one's journey to becoming a CPA is as follows: college or undergrad, review proper, and then SIPALE. College and review proper both serve as your preparation. Note, however, that review proper in the Philippines usually takes 4 to 5 months only compared to college, which takes around 4 to 5 years. So before anything else, I'd like to say tip number 3, be serious during your undergrad. Build at least a good academic foundation during your undergrad. Note that review proper is not the same as your academic classes. Be serious during your undergrad days and let review proper enhance you. Tip number 4, stick to your learning style but be more serious with it. If it helped you survive college, then stick to your learning style. Be consistent with it but be more serious during the review proper. Remove distractions. Free yourself from any distraction that might prevent you from focusing. I suggest you set up your own study space where your mind can focus on studying or reviewing. As much as possible, study on a table and a chair and not on your bed. No to bed during studying or reviewing. Put your phone away. Turn the television off. Remove unnecessary objects and thoughts. And at least for the time being, distance yourself from people. During your review time, review. Set some goals. Remove your distractions and save them for later as your reward. After answering some review materials or handouts, reward yourself the distraction you tried to initially eliminate. After answering or studying or reviewing, go pick up your phone, watch a little, play a little. Remember to savor your distraction during a limited time only. Otherwise, you'll end up wasting more time. Discipline is the key. Stick to your learning style but make some necessary adjustments. The night before every exam ahead during my CPA licensure exam, contrary to what others have advised, I still reviewed. I stood by my learning style because I have already proven that reviewing right before the exams was effective for me personally. However, I did some necessary adjustments. Unlike before, whereby I review even until past midnight, during my SIPALE, I reviewed only until midnight or a little past midnight. I did that because I think it was necessary. SIPALE in the Philippines is held in the morning, so I can't afford to be extra exhausted. Again, stick to your learning style and make some necessary adjustments. You alone can know what adjustments you need to make. Tip number 5, know the passing grade requirements. In order for you to pass the CPA licensure exam, you basically have to be aware or you have to know the passing grade requirements required by the body or the commission administering the exam. In the Philippines, the passing grade requirements are as follows: general average of 75% with no grades lower than 65% in any given subject. Aside from knowing the passing grade requirements, you also have to explicitly know the board exam subjects. In the Philippines, we currently have 6 subjects to pass the CPA licensure exam. After knowing the board exam subjects and the passing grade requirements, reflect. Which of those subjects are you probably going to pass and which are you probably going to fail. Try to give yourself an estimated grade or artificial grade for each subject. You can do this at various points during your review proper, and this may serve as your guide and personal standing with regard to taking and passing the CPA licensure exam. Tip number 6, romanticize reviewing. I wish I did this during college because wow, it really resulted positively to me. Before every time I review back then, I told myself, grabe, nakaka-enjoy mag-review. You know what? Romanticizing reviewing gave me a positive outlook and helped me become an efficient reviewee. More importantly, looking back at my review days, I don't remember everything, but in my mind, I know I did enjoy my review days. I guess fooling yourself also has its advantages at times. Keep on making yourself inspired or motivated. Remember why you want to pass the CPA licensure exam and become a CPA, and hold on to that reason. Tip number 7, lastly, is to pray. Pray before you review. Pray when it's hard. Pray when you get things right. Pray when you're done. Just do your best and lift the rest to Him. Again, this is Elle. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Ay. Bye-bye. Which of those? 1, 2, 3, go. It's the vandal. Ay. 8. Experience. Ay.